and welcome to my YouTube channel Dynamic Coaching Classes. So in this video I will show you how to load a big data set into My SQL WORKBENCH just in few seconds. So let's get started.
So as you can see here, I have already opened my SQL WORKBENCH, and in the new tab, first let's create a new database. So how to create a database? So write the command. The command is create database. Let's give a name as suppose name is big data. Okay, so we have first created one database named big data, and if I run this command, you can see here a big data database is here created. Now just use that database. Use big data. If I run this command again, then you can see here the big data database is highlighted here. That means we are using this database now. Then the next step is we have to create a table. So for that, first let's understand what is the CSV file. So our CSV file name is job data. I am just opening that. After opening that, you can see that DS, job ID, actor ID, event, language and time spent and ORG. These are our column. I am just copying that columns so that I cannot make any mistake whenever I am creating the table. So how to create a table? So just give the name create table. What is the name of our CSV file? So give the same name as our CSV file. So our CSV file name is job data, right? So I am just creating here one table. Now open the parenthesis and just I am pasting that columns I have already copied here. Then I am taking the each column on the another line, so that okay, so these are nothing but our columns in the CSV file. So after that, just give the data type of each column. So as you can see here in our CSV file, you can see here that DS, so it is general. Okay, this is also general. No specific data type is mentioned here. So let's give a data type for the each column. So here it is varchar 100. Then for the job ID, give the comma. Then for the job ID, you can see here the job ID is numbers. So just it is int. So this is our command. So what I have done in this command is that I just first created one table named job data, which is also the name of our CSV file, right? Then I have taken the each column name here and just mention the data types in front of each column name. Don't forget to write the commas after each column name and just complete the parenthesis at the end and give the semicolon to complete the command. Now if I run this command and if I refresh this, you can see here the job data table is created here, right? And you can see the columns are here. Okay, you can see here the column names. So after creating the table, you have to understand what is the location of the CSV file. To see the location, just run the command show variables like in single inverted comma secure underscore file underscore pry. Complete the single inverted comma and give the semicolon to complete the command and just run the query. If in the output you can see that there is a variable name secure file pry and value. Below the value, if I hover over here, you can see the path of the file. So it is nothing but C drive, program data, MySQL server 8.0 and uploads. So make sure that your CSV file is present in this path. For that, just go to the C drive, then program data. Okay, program data. If you cannot see the folder program data, so it might be hidden. So just unhide the folder and open the program data folder. Then MySQL, right? Then the MySQL, then MySQL server 8.0, then uploads, and you can see here my file job data. So it is present here. If it is not present here, then you have to first move your CSV file to this location. Now what I have to do is our motto is, or our aim is, to load the big data, right? So for that we have to use one command called load data in file. Now just go to that path, C program data, MySQL server 8.0 uploads and your file, CSV file. Just right click on the file, then copy as a path. Then again move to our MySQL workbench and just paste that path here. After pasting that, you have seen that there is a backward slashes, right? So by default, if we copy some path, the computer takes the backward slashes, but we need a forward slashes here. So first change the all backward slashes into forward slashes. After that, next command is into table and your table name. So we have created here table and its name is job data. So make sure that same name we have typed here. So if your table name is something different, then give that table name here. Then the next commands are, I am just copying and pasting there because these are same all over the world. So I am just copying and pasting here. You can type them manually. So these are the commands. Fields terminated by commas. So in the CSV file, your fields are terminated by the commas. Each field is terminated by the comma. Then these are enclosed by the double inverted commas. So these are the fields are enclosed by the double inverted commas. Then lines are terminated by /n. We are assuming that our each line is terminated by /n. And ignore one row. That means it will ignore which row? So this first row it is ignoring. Okay. Then just run this command. Okay, and you will see that the data is loaded here. You can see in the output here is the green tick mark. That means the data is loaded. So before that, I have just made one mistake. That is, I just gave the backward slash here. It was giving me the error. So I just corrected that, and now I am showing you the actual output. So in this way you can easily upload or easily load any big data in MySQL Workbench just in few seconds. The data is already loaded, but how to see the data, right? So for that we have to use one command, that is select star from our table name job data. Just give the semicolon and run this command. Now you can see here that our table is already in the output. That means our data is successfully loaded in the MySQL.
So This is how you can load a big data in My SQL Workbench in just few seconds. If you like this video and if you find that this video is very helpful for you, then please do like, comment and share this video with your friends. And if you are watching this channel first time, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification. And thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.